Good afternoon everyone, this is Sahaj Gupta and welcome back to my channel. And today I have my second order from Piggy. So the first one result was pretty good. Actually I ordered Ultimate Nutrition prostar, so it was fine. So and they said to give me special discount if I order another one. So I'm just making another second unboxing video. I ordered again Ultimate Nutrition prostar. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it again. So here we go, and yeah, you can see it's completely packed, and here's some details like this. Okay, so it might be visible to you. So now I'm going to unbox it. Cutter. Here we go. And believe me, the packing is really good, and it's sturdy, it's stable. Okay, so it's like your product goes nowhere, and the packing is fine, it's great in a good container, so that's really good. And I find it sometimes hard to unbox their packaging, seriously. Okay, so we are on the halfway now. Ta-da! Okay, so again I have another one. This time by luck I got cocoa mocha. Okay, it's Ultimate Nutrition. You can see it again here. I'll just focus it. You can view, and it is perfectly fine, and I'm so happy. Yeah, one more thing I wanted to show you guys. It is authentic. It's from Bright Commodities. You can see the bright hologram here and the scratch code. Okay, so it's again Piggy, well done. Your prices are really great, and thank you for giving these kind of supplements in really reasonable prices. And to you consumer who are viewing this video right now, please go for authentic product. It might be expensive to 400-500 rupees, but you have to take authenticity with your product. So the thing is, you can't take any kind of risk with your body. You can see I was like, I'm fine, I'm a skinny person, and I'm 20 years of age right now, and I'm doing gym and all. Strictly I don't take whey a lot in that quantity, only 2 scoops a day or 1 scoop a day. And you can see I'm just totally fit. So please do not compromise your health with taking those kind of fake kind of supplements. So always buy the authentic one, and I'll recommend a Piggy to all of you, and especially their discount and their policy is great, and I love the authenticity. So thanks for watching the video. This was my second unboxing through Piggy. So thanks a lot. Goodbye.